Hey guys, in today's video, we are making a zesty chicken cordon bleu pasta bake that is amazing. I mean, what's not to love about cheesy pasta with a crispy, cheesy crust? The key word being cheesy. You're gonna love it. Let's make it. The ingredients for today's recipe are super simple. I already cooked my pasta. I'm using penne pasta today. I just boiled it according to the package directions, put it back in the pot. A little bit of olive oil so it doesn't stick together while I gather my other ingredients. Here I have some ham steak that is cubed. You can also use deli ham if you don't have any ham steak around, but I just cut it up into cube pieces. I cooked a couple strips of bacon that I just simply chopped. Here I have oven baked chicken breast, which make sure to check out my video on 3 ways to cook chicken. This is a really great way to just meal prep a lot of chicken and then simply assemble a recipe like this one. So oven baked chicken breast that's been cubed for this recipe. Here I also have a homemade Alfredo sauce, and I also have a recipe on this channel showing how easy it is to make Alfredo sauce. But if you don't have homemade Alfredo sauce or the ingredients or the time to make it, jarred will work just fine. The zesty is gonna come from our Creole seasoning. Use your favorite seasoning that's a little bit zesty and spicy. This seasoning I really like because it's got coarse sea salt, big red pepper flakes. So here is the seasoning. Now to make our crispy, cheesy crust, I have Parmesan cheese and mozzarella cheese, but we're gonna hold on to these to the very end. The first thing we're gonna do is turn on our stove on medium to low heat. We just simply want to heat up all the ingredients in the pot with our cooked pasta. So first I'm going to add my Alfredo sauce in, and we're going to give this a quick toss. To this pasta, we are going to add our chicken, our cubed ham steak, our crispy bacon, and our Creole seasoning. Let's give everything a really good toss. Once your pasta mixture is heated through, you're gonna transfer it into your baking dish. So let's transfer the pasta into our baking dish. And then you just wanna spread it onto your pan like this. And then we're gonna top it with our Monterrey Jack cheese. Since all of our ingredients are cooked through, the cheese on top is just gonna go in the broiler to give it a nice crispy crust. So there's no baking needed in the oven, just to create a delicious crust. Now this is the perfect meal that for entertaining. You can make it ahead and then just serve it for your family. The last step is just heat it through. Mix it, heat it through in your pan, make that broiling, super easy. In the broiler it goes for about 3 minutes, so let's do it. All right, you guys, this looks cheesy, delicious. Oh, and that crust right over the top. Now, if you just love simple recipes like this one, there's an entire playlist with pasta dishes, skillet recipes. You're gonna wanna make sure to check that out. But this recipe, I want to try it. For the ingredients and measurements, there'll be a link right below this video. And while you're down there, check out the other recipes on the channel that are just as simple and delicious. See you next week.